What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now, as you can see, I totally forgot to turn on my mic. I actually plugged it into the camera and I forgot to switch the voice recording mode on my camera. So there's no sound. So yeah, really dumb, I know. Basically what you're seeing here is myself on the Nürburgring. Yeah, we finally are going on the Nürburgring. And this time we installed our upgraded brakes beforehand. So we will test the Tarox F2000 and together with the Brembo HP 2000 brake pad. I explained all that in the video where I threw everything onto the car. So if you haven't seen that, click the pop-up banner here to watch that video. In this video, however, we will focus on the difference between the performance brakes and the standard Brembo extra discs. So in this video we will try to beat my lap time from 2020, which was my first time on the Nürburgring on that day, and this here is my second time on the Nürburgring, so there's been no training in between. The Brembo extra line clearly wasn't designed to cope with the conditions on the Nürburgring, so yeah, that's why I decided to go for the performance brakes. And in this video we will find out how much of a difference do they make. I hope everything's recording. I hope you can hear me. That's the most important part, that you can still hear me. If not, I apologize. Different cameras, different mics set up, kind of difficult to manage all that when you don't have a passenger. But here we go on the Nürburgring. I'm gonna go kind of easy on the first time because the brakes, I need to know their points. Noises, that's from my springs in the front, spring in the front. Right hand side is not in best condition, let's say. Nice guy, rocking a touring with a cage and even thanking me for letting him pass. That's what I call nice guys on the track. Oh, and this is a very nice car. Usually not a German car guy. Oh, the brakes are starting to make noise. What I realized, my time isn't that good, so I'm currently running a 10 minutes and 28 seconds. Worse than last time, but I don't know, maybe it's because of the first lap. Let's see. Yellow flag. Okay. Oh no, it's the Camaro. Shit. Shit. laps, even though this would have been a very nice comparison, the Clio RS versus the MiTo. Very similar cars. However, this guy has at least 30 HP more. Like my lap timer didn't record the whole lap, so I'm gonna have to figure out the time through my camera. And another yellow flag. So unlucky today. Okay, that's the last lap for today. It wasn't the best lap and had a lot of traffic going on. Plus yellow flag. Can't really tell what sort of time I would have made. But it was great fun. I really love coming here. And it's just a great hobby. It's expensive, but I enjoy every second of it. Okay, so 10:21:90, that's the best time, or the time of the last lap. This might seem to be not comparable to our run 2020. However, if you take a look at the data and see our results each sector, so looking at the times here in our lap timer app, we see the 9:37 being our best run in 2020 and the 10:21 not being the best run in 2021, but actually showing the best results in each sector. Now, the Nürburgring Nordschleife is, at least in that lap timer, divided into 5 sectors. 2021, we achieved a time of 35.74 seconds, whilst 2020, we achieved 37.14. 2021 second sector, roughly 1.5 seconds quicker. Third sector, yellow flag, so not comparable. And fourth sector, also 2 seconds quicker. Fifth sector and last sector of the Nordschleife, also 1.5 seconds quicker. Now, you could argue that with each run you get a better time because you get to know the track better. However, being the 5th run and the compared lap time of 2020 being the 2nd run, I don't think there's that much of a difference, you see. So if we add each sector up, and if we say, or if you presume that in the 3rd sector we would also be 2 seconds quicker. That leaves us with almost a 10-second improvement on our lap time. So personally, I believe that the performance brakes are really making a difference. At least they feel like they do, and they don't fade as easily, so you have a lot more confidence. Now it just comes down to improving my driving, because that's really bad. So maybe I will go to the Hockenheimring as well, because that's actually closer to the place I live than the Nürburgring. So I don't know, let's see what 2022 is holding up for us. And if you enjoyed that video, please give it a like and subscribe, of course, if you're new, because that's really helping me to push out more videos. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.